Hello and welcome to my channel. I was working on this can today and it was rendering nicely. However, upon closer inspection, I noticed that there was an issue with the UV wrap and some distortion at the seam. So I'm going to show you how I was able to correct it because it did take me quite a while to get it figured out. So in object mode, let's duplicate the object with Shift D, hit Enter to keep it in place, hide the original. And in my case, I am using a subdivision surface modifier. While in object mode, let's go ahead and apply the modifier. And let's go to UV editing. And in my case, on this object, I have two UV maps because I was applying a label over a metallic texture. So under materials, if I hit tab into edit mode, I'm going to select everything and go to Edge, Clear Seam. And over here on the UV map, I'm going to scroll over and make sure that I have UV map label selected, because that's where my graphic is that's being distorted. So now with Edge selection, I'm going to reselect the seam. And go to Edge, Mark Seam. Now with face selection, I'm going to select all of the faces that I want this UV applied. And go to UV, Unwrap. And in my case, I'm going to need to rotate it 90 degrees and reposition. And rescale. So this may look like it's corrected already, but there might be another step we need to take. Because over here on the UV, you can see there's some curvature or distortion. Well, for placing a label, it's going to be easiest if that is all squared. So what we need to do on this side is with vertex selection, let's find one of the rectangles that looks rectangular but may need to be squared. Selecting two of the top vertices, tap Scale Y0, enter. On these bottom two, Scale Y0, enter, which is SY0, enter. And now with the left two vertices, SX0, enter, and the right two vertices, SX0, enter. So now we have a squared rectangle. So up here at the top left, find the face selection and select that face. And you can zoom out a little bit so you can see the effect. And now on this right area, go to UV, follow active quads, and the default length average is fine, so click OK. And now you can see that straightened out all of those faces. So I'm going to select everything and scale it again just to make sure it's looking good after that. And now you can see over here that that distortion has been corrected. This model is available in my shop. I'll post a link in the description. It can be used in both Adobe Dimension and Blender. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.